Everyone, and welcome to another video of Unity Basics. Rather, this is going to be C Sharp Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to use out. Out is a special kind of argument in a method that rather than provide an input to the method, provides an output that to a variable output. So in order to understand this concept, we'll have to first understand TryParse. So let's get started. Go ahead and create a C Sharp script and open that. Yep. Now what we are going to use is TryParse to illustrate the concept of out. TryParse accepts a string and tries to convert it to another data type. In our case, this is going to be int. We are going to use int.tryparse. All right, so let's go ahead with an example, which will make things much clearer. Let's use create a variable to accept an sample string, which is going to contain the value 1, 2, 3. Next, we are going to use an integer output where we will store the result of TryParse. Now we are going to provide the sample string as the first argument and then use out to store the result in output. Don't want save it. So interesting, right? Let's see what happens. Let's print the result. Now let's see what we get. TryParse. Oh, sorry, I forgot int.tryparse. So I'm going to go ahead and create an empty game object. And to this, I'm going to attach the script that we just wrote. Click on play. And we get the value true, which means that this 1, 2, 3 is indeed convertible to an integer format. Now let's use something else like ABC. What do we get? We get false. That means that the string ABC cannot be converted to an integer. And we got that out, the result through output. Further illustrate this concept, let's work with this further. Instead of using debug.log, we are going to use if. If this is true, then print the result, which is going to be output. And if same thing, if this thing turns out to be false, then debug, or let's call this if true this, then let's just use else. Else debug cannot be converted to an integer. All right, so we define the output first and then overwrite it using out method, and then we print the output if it's an integer. Otherwise, we say that, sorry, it cannot be converted. All right, let's go back. Semicolon expected if int. Do I have an extra bracket? Think so. Let's click play. And we get cannot be converted to an integer. Now let's try entering an integer like 12. Click play. And we get 12. So this is the basic concept. We will build on this further in future videos. If you are enjoying the content here, then do consider liking and subscribing to the channel.